Hi everyone, it's Kendy Jane. Today we're going to do a little video on L'Oreal Paris's new Color Rich lipsticks. They have 16 new shades. And it's a new comfortable formula. It conditions the lips. It definitely is high gloss. The one I have on my lips right now is Enamel Red. It's supposed to be able to be put on in one stroke. And it gives you a high gloss and it conditions the lips, and this conditioning on the lips is supposed to be there even days after. So it's it has some residual hydration effects. It's supposed to soften your lips, so you're supposed to, I guess you could say it's more of a combination lip color lip balm if it's supposed to hydrate even after. So I purchased 3 of these lip colors to try for you. If you're looking for the perfect red, Enamel Red is it. It's got a little shine. One layer will get you this pop of color. It is beautiful. It is one of my favorite reds. Glossy Fawn will give you that golden, peachy, natural color that just looks amazing on your lips. It's moisturizing. It feels like butter, soft, smooth, creamy, leaves your lips hydrated. This third shade is called Varnished Rosewood. It's a beautiful mauvey rosewood color. It's got that hint of rose that just looks and makes your complexion just brighten. It will look universally good on anyone. If you put one layer of the lipstick, it's a sheer pink natural color, but it's buildable. You can put multiple layers and make the color even more intense. This is one of those colors that you can just pull out and reapply without even using a mirror. These are really nice lipsticks. The ease of the wear on the lips, they're just so comfortable. And the packaging is a beautiful clear plastic little tube, and then it has a little belted gold rim around the middle. Really nice. And let me swatch these for you. This is the Glossy Fawn, which was the lightest nude color. I think on my skin it might just be a little bit too light, but it's a good basic color. This is Varnished Rosewood, that medium tone color, which is my favorite. This is the perfect nude for me. It really wears nice. And the first color I had on is Enamel Red, and as you can see, these aren't cut like the normal lipstick. It's like they just took the tube and just slanted it, which is really nice. You know, it's very easy to put on, but look at this red. It's beautiful. And when you put these colors on you, it really just makes your face light up. There's nothing wrong with putting a little pop of color on you. It brings you alive, actually. And the gloss, it's not a heavy gloss. I'm comparing it to that plumping formula, Physicians Formula. It had just a heavy gloss in it. This is a light gloss. It's like you're putting a little light oil almost on your lips. And let me tell you, the wear on it, I was surprised. I've been trying it every day, even when I'm at home, and I put it on in the morning and drank maybe 2 cups of coffee and had breakfast, and that's what really made it start to wear. So after about 4 hours, I reapplied it, but you get a good 4 hours. If you don't eat, maybe even more. But I tell you what, this is my new favorite. I'm really feeling the gloss now rather than that matted lip. It's just too drying on my skin. And I wear conditioning every night. I try to put some balm on it and but the matte formulas just really wear it down. But this is the new thing. Glossy lipsticks are in style. And like I said, that pop of color, they have a beautiful line of colors. And I will be getting more. I may do some more videos with the colors. And these are the 3 that I have. I would think that middle one is a very universal nude color. Even if you have light skin to dark skin, it has a little red tone in there. It's just, that's a popular color, that varnished rosewood. But that is my spiel on these lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed doing this little video with me. As you can see, my eyes are crying. I have allergies really bad, but can't do anything about it. Take allergy medicine and it doesn't work. But all the trees are blooming, everything's starting to bloom outside, so it's just beautiful. But you take care. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell notification if you want to get all my notifications of new videos. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. And please share my video with a friend who loves makeup. That's the only way I'll get out there. But thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.